mind-blowing wealth building concepts I've ever learned. I remember hearing this for the first time and thinking, wait, why doesn't everyone know this? When I saw the math behind it, I had to share it because it explains why things start to feel different financially after your first $100,000 and how you can get there. And the real reason the rich keep getting richer, not from access to secret investments, but because of something more powerful, something you can start using today. Charlie Munger, who's Warren Buffett's right-hand man, famously said, "The first $100,000 is a pain, but you got to do it." While investing and compounding offer exciting possibilities for building wealth, reaching your first $100,000 can feel like an uphill battle. It's not all rainbows and unicorns in the early stages. But if you understand this one concept, it'll change how you see money forever. Let me give you a choice. Imagine I give you two offers. Option 1, I hand you $1 million in cash today. Option 2, I hand you just 1 penny today, but that penny doubles every single day for 30 days. Which one do you take? Most people instinctively grab the million, right? But let's walk through what actually happens with the penny. On day 1, you've got just 1 cent. On day 2, that doubles to 2 cents. On day 3, it's 4 cents. By day 10, you've only built up to around $5. Nothing impressive. It looks like nothing is happening. But here's what it gets interesting. From day 11 through day 20, the growth begins to take off. By day 20, you're sitting at over $5,000. Still not a million, but it's clear something big is happening. Now, let's check out the last stretch. By day 21, you've got nearly $10,000. By day 25, you're at over $160,000. By day 28, you've passed $1 million. And by day 30, you're sitting on more than $5 million. That's the power of compounding. It feels slow, painful, and even boring in the beginning. But once you cross that threshold, your money starts doing the heavy lifting for you. That's why wealthy people seem to stay wealthy. Because once compounding has momentum, it becomes a snowball rolling downhill. Your mission is to fight through the grind of the early days. Get to that first $100,000 as fast as you can, and let compounding do its job. If you want to estimate when your money will double, check this video that I made about Rule of 72. Why your first $100,000 is the hardest? Because, number 1, you're building habits, systems, and discipline from the ground up. 2, your money hasn't had enough time to compound yet. 3, your returns are being outweighed by your contributions. For example, if you're investing $500 per month and you're getting a 10% return, after 1 year, you've earned about $330 in interest. After 5 years, your total value is about $39,000, while your actual contribution is about $30,000, and the interest is starting to grow. But over time, compound growth starts to dominate. Let's look at the same $500 per month contribution over longer periods. After 10 years, you'll have around $103,000 in total. After 20 years, your total value is about $383,000. And after 30 years, you'll have around $1.14 million. That's without changing your habits at all. But here's where it gets exciting. If you double your income and save $1,000 per month, total can be $206,000 after 10 years, $763,000 after 20 years, and about $2.27 million after 30 years. So you're not just saving more. Your compounding is working on a bigger base, and the curve gets steeper. Once your net worth hits 6 figures, you start to experience this firsthand. You can take advantage of better opportunities. Your money is doing more heavy lifting. You don't have to grind as hard to see progress. That's why it feels like your money is working faster, because it is. Here's something most people get wrong. They focus too much on investment returns when they should be focused on income generation in the early stage. If you're only saving $200 per month, even a 12% return isn't moving the needle. But if you grow your income from $60K to $120K and keep your lifestyle the same, now you can save and invest $1,000 to $2,000 per month. So instead of obsessing over the stock market, ask, can I increase my income by switching jobs? Can I freelance or start a side hustle? Can I build a business that produces cash flow? You can't compound what you don't have. Income first, investing second. Now, I'd like to talk about a realistic game plan here. Let's say you're at $0 or under $10,000 net worth. Here's a roadmap to reach your first $100,000 faster. Step 1. Increase income. Aim for 2 to 3 strong income streams. Negotiate raises or level up skills for a higher paying job. Step 2. Cut lifestyle creep. Don't inflate expenses with every raise. Don't live above your means. Step 3. Automate investing. Set up automatic transfers to Roth IRA or brokerage accounts. Aim for at least 15 to 25% of your income if you can. Step 4. Use windfalls wisely. Bonuses, tax refunds, commission checks. Don't spend them all and make someone else richer. Pay yourself first. Dump them into your investment accounts. Step 5. Stay consistent. Your $500 per month might feel small now, but it snowballs over time. Think in decades, not just days or months. The goal isn't just $100,000. It's building a system that gets you there and beyond. Once you see how your money works for you, you stop trading time for every dollar. You think bigger. You start asking, how can I buy back my time? Your first $100,000 is about momentum. After that, it's about systems and scale. So, wherever you are right now, just know it's supposed to feel hard at the beginning, but you're not stuck there. You're building the foundation for something bigger. And once you hit that 6-figure mark, you'll realize this game starts to get a lot more fun. I hope this video gave you a clear path or some motivation. So, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.